In just a few simple steps, you'll be able to create a duplicate of your theme and test out corner cart features without affecting your live store. Let's dive in. First, let's go to Shopify admin and navigate to the online store section under sales channels. From there, click on themes. Once you're on the themes page, locate the theme that is published right now. We recommend that you duplicate this latest published theme. Look for the button with 3 dots placed just beside the green Customize button. Now click on the 3-dot button and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options available, select Duplicate. Congratulations! You've successfully duplicated your theme. The duplicate will appear in the Theme Library section just below the original theme. Now click the Customize button of the newly created duplicate theme. Once the customization page loads, navigate to the App Embed section. Look for the toggle corresponding to the Corner Cart app and turn it on. Click Save to apply the changes to your duplicate theme. Great job! Now that it's saved, you can preview your duplicate theme by clicking on the Preview button. Remember, since the app is turned on in the duplicate theme, it will not be visible to other store visitors. So that's it. Now you can test out every feature that we have to offer in this test theme before making our app active on your published theme. If you need assistance in anything, please feel free to reach out to us via chat. Thank you.